going to open the door?
No, they said he was going to. Is this? Hey, are you? Were you with him yesterday? You tried to take him to get to the hospital, and he took off.
Yeah.
Did you call the police yesterday?
Man, we went through a whole bunch of shit with the hospital.
I know. Can you come down?
No.
Can you come to the?
Somebody's trying to get me. No. Please. Yeah.
What's he mean by somebody trying to get him?
He having a psychotic break.
Yeah.
So he's been acting like that the whole time. He's thinking that, you know, it's paranoia.
Mm-hmm.
He thinks the government's trying to get him that type of whole situation.
Hey, it's Officer Fernandez from the Pittsburgh Police Department.
Who?
Officer Fernandez, Arturo.
Arturo?
Yeah,
Who is Arturo?
I'm with the Pittsburgh Police Department,
Okay.
and I understand you needed some help.
I don't need any help.
I thought you just said you needed some medical help?
No.
No?
I'm fine.
Okay. Hey, listen, what's going on today, man?
Just need some time.
Well, to process what? What's going on?
Just need some time. People are trying to kill me.
Okay, why do you think that?
I don't want to talk right now. Please.
Well, are you okay?
Yes.
Are your hands hurting?
No, I'm fine. Please.
Okay. What happened with the lamps going through the window?
I don't want to talk right now. Please.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah, I'm willing to give you all the time you need, man. You just gotta let me know what's going on.
And when you weren't willing to go, they called us. And when we got...
Drop that knife. Those are your only two options.
The knife is on the ground.
No, the knife needs to be on the ground out here in the hallway.
All right, let me get it. Good go. All right, stop. What are you doing? Huh?
Step over. When you come over, put your hands in the air. Get down on the ground. Get on the ground.
Get on your knees now. Get on your knees now.
Shots fire, shots fire, shots fire. One down.
Where's the knife? Where's the knife? Where's the knife?
Knife is down here.
I don't see it. Where is it?
Hey, if you grab that knife, I'll shoot you.
Hey, stand by, slow down, slow down, slow down. Hey, guys, over to his left. We have
To his
back
left?
here.
Hey, give me a steel pin.
I got lethal.
Stand by. Give me a steel pin. Give me a steel pin. Go. Get it up here.
Right here. I need my backpack. Hey, backpack! Give me the backpack!
One hand. Hold that. Hold that. Yeah. Hold it. Yeah.